Hello, everybody. This is Neerja from India, and I welcome you all to my profile. So, I'll give a little bit brief about myself. I've been working in the ESG and sustainability domain since more than 5 years now. I have worked with names like HSBC Research in Bangalore, and I have worked with KPMG India in the new capital of India, and I have worked on different aspects of ESG. For example, I've started with like ESG research, which has been my USP. As I have worked for more than 5 years in every aspect of research angle, whether it is financial research, secondary research, primary research, or ESG research. Mostly, I have worked on like ESG report creating or like thematic researches for ESG, where we used to see the sustainability angle of the company apart from their financial angle as well, so that investors can take the informed decision based on the how the company is performing in like sustainability area, and then how they take the decisions based on that if there are any red flags. So I've worked on different from I have used like different databases like Bloomberg, Thomson Reuters, and MSCI, which particularly focuses on sustainability reports of different companies. And I have created the sustainability or ESG reports, or let's say short notes for all the companies from scratch, where we provide the complete ESG angle of the company, how they're performing based on their different metrics of ESG. I have worked on long, like 30 to 40 pages thematic reports for ESG, where I have worked on, for example, for oil and gas sector, for Hong Kong, Asian countries. I have worked for airline sector, introducing SAF fuel and what alternatives which the companies need to implement, and what are the main leaders and how they can improvise, and where the airline sector is going to be because of the whole this the fuel which is creating a lot of emissions, and how they can improvise based on that. And I have worked on different other sectors as well, for example semiconductors, the chip making industry, and more, yeah. So this is a little bit brief about it, and apart from that I have worked largely lately on the like ESG reporting angle with KPMG India. I have worked with onshore clients for their companies, how the companies can improvise their CSRD frameworks and reporting, so that the organization which like look overlooks at it, the EU, they can monitor it, and they can maintain, the companies can maintain their reporting, which they need to be to abide as per their entities, like where they are situated, if they are a EU company, EU listed company. And I have also worked on that, like how they can improvise their ratings and how they can improvise their framework. For example, before even CSRD is getting mandatory for these companies, so we used to do a like a pre-readiness assessment for these companies, how these companies and their uh, the metrics, the what addition they need to make to their companies, which can make them better in terms of reporting for CSRD, how they can be eligible for that. And apart from that, I have worked on scoping of projects, like for ESG scoping, for example CSRD scoping. For example, a company is listed in two different geographies. For example, it is headquartered in US, but they have their operations running in different parts of the world. For example, in 10 different companies, I would not name the companies I have worked on due to the confidential data, but definitely I can tell you how I have worked on that. So if the company is working on like US, it's a US based company, but they have their operations worldwide. So we need to check the different requirements of all the entities where they are located, and what sort of ESG or CSRD eligibility would apply on them, how the company will be able to report their numbers. So different entities will have different eligibility because of their geography. So I've worked on this kind of a project, like for which like a long project, like for month or two. And then we need to assess different, because all the countries, they also have their own different criterias of CSRD scoping, apart from the one which is like the EU CSRD scoping. So yeah, so this is also I have worked on, and Apart from that, I have worked mainly on like research areas, ESG research, whether it is industrial research or ESG economies research, or country wise, companies wise, and written like long thematic research notes for these companies, how the sustainability area is like creating an impact for the financial decisions taken by the investors, and how like a small red flag in the company make completely the decision change for the investors. So yeah, and right now I am looking forward to working with you all in the freelance sector, because I have worked in the corporate sector in ESG and sustainability climate change for more than almost six years now. And now I am looking for something which I can work on remotely. So I am looking for so many different like opportunities which where I can work with you all. We can create an impact together, and then it can be very useful for everybody of us sitting in our own comfort zone of our home or wherever we are, because I cannot travel to office. That's why I am looking right now for some personal reasons, so that I can work remotely from wherever I can. I think that should be helpful, and I'm sure that's why we are all here on this platform, right? So I look forward to speak to you, everybody, and definitely my work is like very professional, and I speak mostly. I engage on a very professional note, so there won't be any sort of mishappenings or any limitations, because we are not in a organization right now. So that is assured. You can check my LinkedIn profile, Neerja Bansal, if you would want to see what kind of companies I have worked with and for how long I have worked, etc. etc. I can share you some more testimonials if you would want. But let's connect, and I hope to see you on the other side. Thank you so much.